Namaskar, welcome to my channel. My name is Sonju Bora. Today I will discuss one important topic from United Nations of Organization. The name of the topic is what? Security Council. Dear student, I already discussed about UNO, United Nations of Organizations, its aims and objectives and functions. Today I will discuss one of the principal organ of United Nations, that is what? Security Council. Before going to discuss this one, I would like to say some important question from with this related to this topic. So these are some important questions I will discuss, and so see my video till to last. Okay, so in exams, so these are the question will ask definitely. First, how many permanent members are there in UN Security Council? I will tell you later. And then how many non-permanent members are there? How many total members are there in UN Security Council? What do you mean by veto power? And how the non-permanent members elected? Who elected the non-permanent members of Security Council? And what is the main function of the Security Council? Why these 5 countries they became the permanent member of Security Council? আৰু আজি মই তোমালোকৰ আগত এই কোৱেশ্চন খিনিৰ আনসাৰ খিনি ডিসকাস কৰিম. Before going to discuss my topic, you will have to know about these things. Okay, let's start my video. Okay, so first yet mo common General Assembly বিষয়ে কৈ দিম. So General Assembly is one of the principal organ of United Nations. সাধাৰণ সভা হৈছে ৰাষ্ট্ৰসংঘৰ এটা গুৰুত্বপূৰ্ণ অংগ. So it is the largest organ of UNO. So UNO ৰাষ্ট্ৰসংঘৰ সকলোতকৈ ডাঙৰ অৰ্গেনটোৱে হৈছে সাধাৰণ সভা. So it has 193 members. So General Assembly, so the total members of General Assembly 193. From each country, so they send 5 representatives to the body. Okay. So all the meetings of UNO held in the General Assembly. So General Assembly সাধাৰণ সভাত ৰাষ্ট্ৰসংঘৰ সকলোবিলাক মিটিং ইয়াত আৰম্ভ হয়. 193 members আছে General Assembly, and each and every state of General Assembly they send 5 representative to the body. Body lo 5 representative pothaba lage, but they have only 1 vote. So this is important of General Assembly. Okay, next go to the Security Council. This is most important organ of UNO, United Nations of Organization. It was established in 1945 after Second World War for what? International peace, for establishing world peace. Okay, so one of the important question I would like to share with you, that is how many total members there are in UNO at the beginning. At the beginning of the আৰম্ভণিতে কিমানখন সদস্য ৰাষ্ট্ৰ আছিল? Try to remember 51 countries. Okay, they signed the UN Charter. Okay, next ahile Security Council. It is one of the important organ of Security Council. There are 6 principal organs are there in the United Nations of Organization. Among them, most important organs is what? Security Council. Okay, so what is the main aim of Security Council? Then you will write what is the main aim of what? To establish peace and security. Okay, আন্তঃৰাষ্ট্ৰীয় শান্তি আৰু নিৰাপত্তা ৰক্ষা কৰা এইটো হৈছে নিৰাপত্তা পৰিষদৰ প্ৰধান কাম. Okay, ৰাষ্ট্ৰসংঘৰ 6টা অৰ্গেনছৰ ভিতৰতে আটাইতকৈ প্ৰধান অংগটোৱে হৈছে অতি গুৰুত্বপূৰ্ণ অংগটোৱে হৈছে কি? নিৰাপত্তা পৰিষদ. Okay, in Security Council there are 15 members. How many members are there in Security Council? Total members of Security Council 15, among 5 permanent and 10 non-permanent. This is important question. How many permanent members are there in UN Security Council, and how many non-permanent members are there? কিমানখন স্থায়ী সদস্য আছে আৰু কিমানখন অস্থায়ী সদস্যক লৈ Security Council to মানে গঠন কৰা হৈছিলে so this is very important so these 5 permanent countries they are known as P5 okay so what are the 5 permanent countries of Security Council তেতিয়া তোমালোকে লিখিব লাগিব কি first you know about the allied force and axis force this is important question from Cold War the first chapter প্ৰথমে তোমালোকে যেটো chapter পঢ়িছিলা Cold War বুলি তাত allied force আৰু axis force পাইছিলা আৰু এই allied force আৰু axis force ৰ মাজত কি হৈছিলে second world war begin between allied and axis force so which are the countries of allied force USA USSR France UK so these are 4 countries they were what allied force so these 4 countries they became the permanent members after the what second world war ঠিক আছে আৰু তাৰ লগত আৰু এখন কান্ট্ৰি জয়েন হৈছিলে সেইখন হৈছে চাইনা এনেকে তোমালোকে মনত ৰাখিবা USA ৰাছিয়া আগতে USSR আছিলে এতিয়া USSR নাই because USSR disintegrated in 1991 as a successor is what Russia USSR successor hoy kon thakile Russia so Russia became the permanent member of UN Security Council after 1991 means after the disintegration of USSR after Cold War so how many permanent members are there 5 permanent so these 5 permanent known as P5 what is P5 just you write these 5 permanent members they known as P5 so USA Russia UK France and what China so these are known as what permanent members one important question why these countries say they became the permanent there are so many countries in world at that time okol ekhonoke je permanent member korile kiyo korile because these countries became so powerful immediately after the second world war pisote ei country khini bahut beshi shaktiশালী হৈ পৰিছিল and another reason behind it they victorious this second world war আৰু হিহতে second world war জিতিছিলে okay if these countries were not given the special power then what happened they will not join UN that is the another reason behind it given the permanency of these countries ihotok jodi if this country is not given the what special power then they will not become the member of UN hone be UN member no hol heten he karone hihotok ki kora hoy gol permanency dia hoy gol some of the privileges here say what are the privileges enjoyed by the permanent members of Security Council then you have to write first one is permanency Permanency is the main privileges of Security Council permanent members. They become a permanent, they cannot be removed. Hihoto kunu karone remove koribo para najay. But 1992 General Assembly resolution pass korisile the reform of UNO he ami pisor class at pohim okay and second one is the UNO given their way to power okay these countries are very powerful so UN given them what the responsibility of peace and security in the world পৃথিৱীৰ শান্তি প্ৰতিষ্ঠা কৰাৰ দায়িত্বটো কাৰ হাতত দিলে এই শক্তিশালী দেশকেইখনৰ হাতত দিলে okay so what is important is what is way to power etu ahibo pare who can enjoy the way to power then you write the permanent members of Security Council they can enjoy the way to power this is one of the special privilege enjoyed by the permanent member of Security Council the UN have given this power to these members okay so what is way to power then you will have to write what each and every countries they have one vote protikhon 15 countries or bitor protikhon eta vote asile so any decision taken by the Security Council they should have to go in favor of that decision if any permanent members of Security Council not go with that what a proposal then what happened that decision be stalled যদি তেওঁলোকে কি হয় সেই ভোটটো যদি সাপোর্ট নকৰে যিকোনো এটা ডিসিশন লবলৈ যাওঁতে যদি পার্মানেন্ট মেম্বার্স কিনি এখনে 15 খন members support কৰিছে if all other permanent and non-permanent members vote for the particular decision any permanent members negative vote can stall the decision. So this is called what? Veto power of Security Council. So only the permanent member of Security Council they can enjoy this one. You can see the page number 91 NCERT book that khub dhuniya koi di thua ase. Okay, second ahile non-permanent members. Now how the non-permanent member of Security Council elected for how many years? Permanents are permanent, they cannot be removed. Okay, so non-permanent they are elected for 2 years by the members of General Assembly. So 193 members are there. 193 members elected the non-permanent members of Security Council. নিৰাপত্তা পৰিষদৰ অস্থায়ী সদস্যসকলক 2 বছৰৰ বাবে 1/3 মেজৰিটিৰ দ্বাৰা তেওঁলোকক কি কৰা হয় ইলেক্টেড কৰা হয় তেওঁলোকে ইমিডিয়েটলি ৰিইলেক্ট হ'ব নোৱাৰে কিন্তু দুবাৰ তিনিবাৰ তেওঁলোকে ইলেকশ্যন খেলিব পাৰে ওকে এইখিনি আছিল পার্মানেন্ট এন্ড নন পার্মানেন্ট মেম্বার্সৰ ইম্পৰ্টেন্ট কথা next ahile what is the main aim of UN Security Council then you write to maintain international peace and security what is the main aim of Security Council to maintain international peace and security আন্তঃৰাষ্ট্ৰীয় শান্তি আৰু নিৰাপত্তা ৰক্ষা কৰাটোৱে হৈছে নিৰাপত্তা পৰিষদৰ প্ৰধান উদ্দেশ্য আর ইয়াতে কোয়েশ্চন টুতে নাম টুতে লিখা আছে যে ইন্টারন্যাশনাল পিস আন্তঃৰাষ্ট্ৰীয় শান্তি সিকিউৰিটি আৰু নিৰাপত্তা ইয়াতে তোমালোকে আনসার উলিয়াই লব পাৰিবা যদি পাহৰি গৈছা to determine when and where UN peace operation should be deployed so peacekeeping force code কেনেকে পঠাব লাগিব শান্তি কেনেকে প্ৰতিষ্ঠা কৰিব লাগিব এইবিলাকৰ ওপৰত কোনে আলোচনা কৰে UN Security Council আলোচনা কৰে okay next আহিলে important function what are the important function of Security Council যে নিৰাপত্তা পৰিষদৰ প্ৰধান কামবোৰ কি ইয়াতে এইমত যেটো কথা কৈছো আমি আৰু আমি ফাংশনটো সেই কথাটোই লিখিব পাৰো you can write same in the function of Security Council maintain international what peace and security in accordance with the principle and purpose of UN so আন্তঃৰাষ্ট্ৰীয় শান্তি আৰু নিৰাপত্তা ৰক্ষা কৰা হৈছে ইয়াৰ প্ৰধান কাম secondly to investigate any dispute or situation where might lead to the international what friction international peace jate আন্তঃৰাষ্ট্ৰীয় শান্তিত যাতে বাধা আহিব নোৱাৰে সেই বিষয়ে যদি কৰবাত কিবা ধৰণৰ dispute হয় বা কাজিয়া যদি লাগে then UN can investigate that things last one in case of where the conflict in occurring the council may issue ceasefire directives send in peacekeeping force or use enforcement action in case of where conflict occurring korba jodi juddho hoise korba jodi kajia hoise ba biswa shanti protistat korba jodi badha hoise tetia hale ki koriba pare UN Security Council can send peacekeeping force while for enforcement action so these are some important explanations from this Security Council I hope you understood this is very important in your other exam it will be help you আজি যদি তোমালোকে ভালদৰে পঢ়া ভালদৰে বুজা Security Council ৰ ওপৰত এক্সামত এই কোৱেশ্চনৰ বাহিৰে বেলেগ কোৱেশ্চন কেতিয়াও সুধিব লগা নাই so these are the important discussions I think you understood okay so question কেটা মই ডিসকাস কৰি দিছো first how many permanent members are there 5 permanent members are there what are the permanent members of Security Council USA Russia UK France and China mone rakhiba a non-permanent members they are elected by General Assembly for 2 years all right next who elected the non-permanent members then you will write General Assembly elected the non-permanent members where is the head office the United Nations of Security Council New York okay what is the main function of United Nations of Security Council to maintain international peace and security write the permanent members of the Security Council. I already told মই বাৰে বাৰে এইটো কথা আলোচনা কৰিলো. Next, what is veto power? So dear students, ekhini asile important Security Councilor. I hope you understood this one. If you like my video, then share it with your friends. Thank you.